Hello, thank you for choosing our plugin. Let's get started by logging in. If you are already a user, please use your email ID to log in. If you are not, create your account from here. After entering your email ID, please enter your password. If you are a new user, your screen will look like this. And if you are already an existing user, your screen will look like this. In both the screen, please select resources and Ubuntu Linux, please start downloading NX Witness Client and Servo Installer. Meanwhile, we can surf to the integration part, search Gotilo. You'll see our plugin here with all the information and an installation script for installing this plugin along with a guidance document. Now, upon successfully installation, run the client server, click on the new system, click on connect anyway, and then set up new system with a new system name and set up your password. Make sure it's strong or good. Click on the next. When your system is ready to use, search for server and name, click on add, then device, then please enter your IP address. This will search for all the devices available in your IP, login admin and your password. Then click on the scan. Once the scan is completed, you'll have the list of devices available. Please select the devices you need. And now you can see all the devices connected to your system. All the devices you selected connected to your system. Camera 3, this is camera 2. These are the events. Now explore NX client and let's come to integration page. Search for Gotilo. Install the installation script.sh file. Once that's completed, open your command terminal. Enter the command visible on screen to install the script. When you press enter, it will ask for your system's password. Please enter your system's password and then again enter the command visible to your screen. It will start downloading. After downloading it successfully, you need to restart the system. So make sure your NX Witness is closed and then run the command visible on the screen to restart the system. Upon successful installation, open NX Witness. You can see the multiple cameras. Go to camera settings, go to plugins, select intrusion detection, and the license token. Add the license token you have received from our mail. And after pasting the license token below, you can select the ROI. It's basically define the area where you want the plugin to work. You can mark multiple ROIs. Then click on apply. As you can see, the license is activated right now. Then go to camera rules, add event. After adding event, in when select analytic event, select the camera. Then in event type, please select intrusion detection, and in action do you have multiple options. I've selected alarm, then this is okay, and then you can configure the seconds after which you want the notification or the alert to be generated. If everything looks well, click on OK. You can see the plugin is working right now. The license is activated and we are getting the alerts for every intrusions after defined seconds. If you don't select the license or the license number is invalid, it will trigger you an error. So make sure you do it perfectly. Thank you.